Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Nuria Azmi Ismawati with student ID number 193219887. I will present an analysis of 7 articles about mathematics. In here, I take the term mathematics learning model with article title Article 1 Meta-analysis of term games tournament running model on mathematics learner outcomes. Article 2 The comparison of number held together learning model and think fair share in terms of the elementary school mathematics learning outcomes. Article 3 The implementation project-based learning model assisted with visual media in mathematics learning. Article 4 An analysis of the need for cooperative learning model with RME approach for mathematics learning of elementary school. Article 5 Literature study on the influence of the discovery learning model on the learning outcome of mathematics students during the COVID-19 pandemic. Article 6 The effect of cooperative learning model and self-efficacy on student mathematics learning outcomes. Article 7 The default multimedia application model for basic mathematics learning. Next, research problem. Article 1 The analyst used a comparison method to determine the impact of implementing the term game tournament learning model in improved math learning outcomes. Article 2 Overall, comparative learning can improve student mathematics learning outcomes in the control group, experiment group. Article 3 Apply a model of learning with a project-based learning model along with visual media in learning mathematics. Article 4 Mathematics learning with RME approach enable the student to think logical, critical, and creative. Article 5 The literature on learning model discovery learning on student learning outcomes in mathematics in post-pandemic COVID-19. Article 6 How student mathematics learning outcomes would use STAD learning model with TPS learning model. How student learning mathematics outcome will have high self-efficacy and low self-efficacy is their interaction between learning model and self-efficacy to the student mathematics learning outcomes. Article 6 How to overcome the low interest in learning and the difficulty of students of understand the material, and how to develop a software with multimedia application as a means of delivering basic mathematics course material. Next, research result. In Article 1, outlet of research result is based on the result of the analysis that has been done. It can be seen that the use of the term game tournament model from a study can improve elementary student mathematics learning outcomes. In Article 2, outlet of research result is based on the theory. It can be linked between cooperative learning result with the level of education. That the high of level of education of a student, the more effective the learning outcome will be, because the cognitive ability of a student who is already at a high level of education are likely to have high cognitive ability, even though junior high school students on average tend to the selfish because the effect of continuous learning in higher than elementary school. In Article 3, outline of research result is this result was conducted with the aim of improve student mathematics learning outcomes as a way after to circle of research proved that project-based learning, along with visual media applied in the learning process, can improve student learning outcomes. In Article 4, outline of research result is cooperative learning is consistent with social constructive principle held on by Vygotsky, stating that the principle of constructive for higher function lies beyond individual called interpersonal relation. Thus, Vygotsky theory emphasizes individual interact with the social environment in the learning to obtain knowledge triggers cognitive development. In Article 5, outline of research result is one of the key to success in the teaching and learning process is teaching by implementing meaningful learning as a method of delivering material so that it can increase student understanding of mathematics learning. In Article 6, outline of research result is the learning model and efficiency significant influence student mathematics learning outcomes. In Article 7, outline of research result is the law in learning mathematics in elementary school is influenced by the method of teaching application by the teacher which still use conventional method. This causes the student feel involved to understand mathematics material. Basic mathematics requires the application of a fun learning method so that it can foster student learning interest and easy in understanding the material. One of method is developing the computer beside application of interactive multimedia learning media. Next, conclusion. In Article 1, outline of conclusion is the increase in learning outcomes in each study has different percentage. This is influenced by several factors, both internal and external factors. In Article 2, outline of conclusion is the cooperative learning media can be used as alternative learning to improve student mathematics learning. Cooperative learning can improve the mathematics learning outcome of participants. In Article 3, outline of conclusion is based on the result of research and discussion that has been described in the previous chapter. It can be concluded that the application of project-based learning model along with visual model improve the learning outcomes of mathematics and studying activity class 9. In Article 4. Outline of conclusion is the author concludes that the result be a follow-up related to the application of cooperative learning model with RMA approved to track student activity and to improve the mathematical learning outcome of students. In Article 5, outline of conclusion is from the discussion above. It can be concluded that by applying the GUID discovery a learning model, there is an effect on improved student learning outcomes in mathematics, even though during the COVID-19 pandemic. In Article 6, conclusion is first, student mathematics learning outcomes that are taught by STID learning model are higher than student mathematics learning outcomes that are taught by the TPS learning model. Secondly, mathematics learning outcomes of students who have high self-efficacy are higher than the mathematics learning outcome of students who have low self-efficacy. 3. There is an interaction between learning model and self-efficacy towards student mathematics learning outcomes. Students who have high self-efficacy are more efficiently taught by using the STID learning model, while for students who have low self-efficacy are more appropriately taught by using the TPS learning model. In Article 7, conclusion is students feel interested, so it will raise student learning interest and become better. By using this interactive learning media, teacher feel easier in delivering the material. For the education part, the need of technology development applied in the learning system because of technology to make this easy. For the informatics part, the need of technology development to be able to help others in order to facilitate the implementation of a job. Next suggestion for each article. Article 1. Teacher pay more attention to the learning model used in the teaching and learning process. Number 2. School enable to maximize the facility and infrastructure. Article 2. Each are able to use learning model that are appropriate to the condition and situation of the class and student. Number 2. Teachers are able to understand student cognitive ability beside on education level SD SMP. Article 3. It is expected that teachers should pay more attention to the model, method, and approach used in the learning process and can create better and better learning, especially in mathematics learning. Number 2, expect to the student to further enhance their creativity and high responsibility in the learning process. In addition, dare to express opinion and question when there is difficult in learning mathematics. Number 3, it is expected that the school to maximize the facility and infrastructure such as print book, stationery, and learning media that will be used in the learning process. Article 4. Teachers are able to make innovative in learning, especially in mathematics. Number 2, the teacher is able to make illustration of mathematics learning that is associated with everyday life. Number 3, teacher need the right learning model when implementing learning. Article 5, teachers are able to choose the right learning model during the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 2, the teacher makes learning motivation for students so that students have a passion for learning. Number 3, teachers are able to make interesting learning innovation. Article 6, the teacher is able to understand the characteristics of the class and student so that the teacher is able to provide the right learning model. Article 7, teachers are able to provide learning service in accordance with the demand of the time. Number 2, teachers are able to develop technological skills. Number 3, teachers are able to provide innovation in the learning process. Number 4, teachers are able to understand students in the learning process so that students are not bored in the learning process. Next, the lack of the article. Article 1, no suggestion for future reasons. Article 2, no suggestion for future reasons. Article 3, sloppy article writing. Article 4, no suggestion for future reasons. Article 5, no suggestion for future reasons. And the research does not present in the form of table, graph, or documentation image in the journal. Article 6, no suggestion for future reasons. Article 7, no suggestion for future reasons. Next, analyze all article, then writing down the gap for this article learning. This article is Article 1 and Article 4 and Article 5 with Article 6 and Article 1 with Article 4. Article 1 analyze the impact of implementing the games tournament learning model in improved mathematics learning outcomes. Research conducted by summarizing, reviewing, and analyzing recent data from several previous recent results. The data collection in this study used a literature study technique by conducting a study of articles related to the respective topic. Article 4, using interview and observation method from elementary school in the research described with the EME learning model, simulation student to think critically and logically for problem related to real life. Next, Article 5 and Article 6. Article 5, reviewing the literature in discovery learning model on student learning outcomes in mathematics subject during the post-COVID-19 pandemic. Data collection was carried to collect book, article, and journal. Talk learning by discovery. Students learn to partners in correct and abstract situation. Many students also predict the additional information provided. Article 6, the research applies the interview and observation model STAD learning model to instill a mutual comparative attitude and help us other in solving problems. Students who have high self-efficacy are more appropriate to the talk using the STAD learning model, while students who have low self-efficacy are more appropriately talk use the TPS learning model, using different learning model across to student needs. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.